In a previous video, I had talked about how this gingerbread mint soap is going to turn brown over time. In fact, it'll probably be the same color brown as the mold showing here behind my hand. Why does it turn brown? It is because of the vanillin content in the fragrance oil. This is a specific fragrance oil I use called Iced Ginger Snap from candlescience.com. And if you scroll excuse me, through the ingredients here, you'll see that it shows the vanillin content more than 5%. That's pretty high. So it's going to be pretty dark as it oxidizes over time. The reason why it turns brown is because of the chemical reaction that happens between soap's lye solution and oxidization with the vanillin. It's because it's real vanilla. I'll show you another website as well. This one's called Nature's Garden Candles. I buy a lot of fragrance from them, and this one's helpful because it can show you how dark your soap's gonna get. So here's a good example. This is more of like a medium brown color. This is useful information because as a soap maker, when I'm designing the look of my soap, the color palette, I need to know if I'm gonna get like this reaction, because if it's not gonna turn brown, I can add pretty colors like red and green and Christmassy colors. But if it's gonna turn brown, I need to think of a way to work around that if I really, really want that fragrance oil. So thank you for your question, and follow for more tips.